How to increase call volume in KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to increase the call volume in KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are in, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now you can see general settings right here. Tap on general settings. Here scroll down until you see call. You can see the call right here. Tap on call. Now scroll down to the very end. Now you can see call volume right here. Now just increase its volume like this. Now once you do that, your call volume will be increased. Okay, and that's it. You can control the volume like this as well. You can mute it like this as well, and you can increase it like this. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.